Hello everyone, my name is Bahieh. I'm a product advisor at Erin Lexus. Today I'm going to show you how to put the rear seats down on a 2020 RX 350. There are two ways of doing it. First one is from the back door. There's a handle on the side that you can just pull and the seats will go down. The other way is through the trunk. There's a handle here, you just pull and the seats will go down. And to put the seat back up again, you just pull and then the seat is up. Now I'm going to show you how to put the seats down on the higher packages, which are the Executive and F Sport 3. There's a button on the side that you can push and the seat will go down automatically. And to push the seat back up again, you just push the other way. And there it goes. Again, you have the other option from the trunk. You just push the button down and the seats will go down. And to put it up back again, you just push the other way. Thank you for watching and see you next time.